In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your finances by identifying and handling duplicate entries in your banking records, aiming for a more streamlined and accurate financial overview. Let's begin by accessing your banking portal or financial management software, whichever you typically use to track your transactions. Familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation options, especially if you haven't delved into these sections before. This will make the process smoother as you proceed. Now, the initial step you'll want to take is to closely examine your list of transactions. Specifically, you're looking for duplicate entries, which can often occur through repeated transactions or errors in data entry. Pay particular attention to the date and the amount, as these will be your primary indicators for identifying duplicates. It's important to ensure that you're looking at a comprehensive view of your transactions. You might need to adjust the timeline displayed to ensure all relevant data is visible. To assist in identifying duplicates more efficiently, many platforms offer built-in filters that allow you to sort and sift through your financial entries. Take advantage of these filters to narrow down your search. For instance, you can organize your transactions by date and then by amount. This will highlight any duplicates more clearly and save you significant time compared to manually scanning each entry. In addition to using built-in filters, you might also consider using third-party apps or plugins designed to integrate with your banking platform. These are often more sophisticated and can automatically flag or even remove duplicate entries for you. However, be sure to choose applications that are reputable and prioritize security, as they will have access to your financial information. Always read reviews and do your homework before integrating third-party software with your banking data. As you go through your transactions, when you find duplicates, assess whether these need to be deleted or just flagged for review. Sometimes duplicates arise from repeated automatic transactions that you might not have been aware of, like subscription renewals. In these cases, you may not need to delete them, but confirm whether they were intended. Maintaining a pristine financial record is crucial for budgeting effectively and avoiding unnecessary confusion down the line. Regularly reviewing and managing duplicates is a proactive approach to ensure the integrity of your financial records. By following these steps and making it a part of your routine financial checkups, you'll find it much easier to stay on top of your banking and plan for future financial steps with greater confidence. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to managing duplicate entries in your bank records. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping accurate financial records is key to staying on top of your financial health. See you in the next video.